Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
In our previous class, we learned about
Drip irrigation.
irrigation. Both traditional and modern methods of irrigation we learned last class. So today, before we begin, let us have a very short MCQ test based on what we covered last class. So as already you have attempted MCQ test, right?
Yes.
So in the chat box, I'll be sending the link. So click on the link and try to do just 2 questions. I think maximum you can take 3 minutes. So within 3 minutes, you finish it and send it. After that, we will start today's portions. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So check your chat box. I have sent.
Yes, ma'am. Got.
Okay, okay. So finish it fast. So I have received a majority of the sheets. Now we will start with today's portion. Okay. So who will tell me which are the 2 modern methods of irrigation?
Ma'am.
Yes, Shivanya.
Ma'am, sprinkler system,
Sprinkler system and drip system. What is special about drip system, and Leah? What is special about drip system?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is special about drip system? Drip system of irrigation.
Yes, ma'am. It is the method for watering
Yeah.
plants drop by drops.
And where these drops will fall?
Ma'am, it falls in the plant's roots.
Just at the position of the roots. It falls drop by drop just at the position of roots. So today we are going to learn about the next agricultural practice, that is protection from weeds. So we have covered different agricultural practices. Which were they? Who will tell me? Mishal, tell me which all agricultural practices we completed so far. Starting with preparation of soil. After that?
Yes.
After that?
Sowing.
Then?
Irrigation.
Before irrigation?
Manufacturing.
Not manufacturing.
Manure
and
fertilizers.
Yes. Then
Irrigation.
So today we are going to learn adding,
Protecting from weeds.
weeds. Can anyone tell me what are weeds? Any idea? You got one at a time. One at a time.
Ma'am, unwanted plants.
Wait. I will tell you. Mishal already got a chance. Prarthana, what are weeds? Have you heard about weeds?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
No. Who else?
Ma'am,
Midun?
some kind of plant.
A kind of plant?
Take from other plant the nutrients.
Okay. So weeds you
The
can
main-
define it as, yes. Weeds you can
unwanted
partially
plants.
correct. Okay.
Ma'am,
Weeds are,
unwanted plants growing.
yes, correct. Weeds are unwanted plants. Okay. Weeds are unwanted or undesirable plants growing in the field. And it is very important that we remove these weeds. The topic itself is protection from weeds, which means that weeds need to be removed, or our crop plants need to be protected from weeds. Let's see why it is necessary to remove the weeds and what are the different methods to remove the weeds. So one by one, we'll see that. Okay. So our next topic is protection from weeds. So as some of you said, weeds are the undesirable plants or the unwanted plants which are growing in the field along with the crop. So that is the point. They are growing along with the crop. So in a field which is supposed to be filled with crop plants, weeds also will start growing. So it is very important that we remove these unwanted plants. So what are weeds? Weeds are the undesirable plants growing naturally along with the crop. The unwanted or undesirable plants growing naturally along with the crop. Now, you might be thinking, so what is the problem if these plants are also growing along with the crop plants? But If weeds are growing in the field, they will affect the crop plants or their yield of the crop very badly. So we need to remove it. So one important agricultural practice is to remove these weeds, and you call it as weeding. Weeding means the process by which weeds are removed or process of removal of weeds. That is known as weeding. Removal of weeds is known as weeding. And the best time, so there is a particular time when we have to remove these weeds. So at any time, if you remove the weeds at some stages in the life cycle of these weeds, it will be difficult to remove them. So it's always better to remove them before they start flowering and producing seeds. So always during their vegetative growth. Vegetative growth means when they start slowly developing their stem, roots and leaves. During that time, during their vegetative growth, that is before they start producing flowers and seeds, you need to remove them. So what all points we learned here? What are weeds? What is weeding? And when is the best time to remove the weeds? So once again, I will repeat the 3 points. The undesirable plants growing naturally along with the crop. The undesirable plants growing naturally along with the crop in the field are known as weeds. And the removal of weeds is known as weeding. And the best time to remove the weeds is before they start producing flowers and seeds, before they start reproducing. Now, next point is why it is necessary to remove the weeds. Why it is very important to remove the weeds. So there are few points. So for your exam also it can be asked. List some reasons why the removal of weeds is necessary, or why weeding is essential for the healthy growth of crop plants. So let us see the points one by one. First point. The weeds, when they are growing in the field, they will compete with the crop, because they are growing in the field, and the field will be provided, or that area will be getting water, sunlight, nutrients. But when weeds are also there, they'll compete with those limited supplies. So what will happen? It gets divided. So because of the presence of the weeds, the crop plants will not get sufficient amount of nutrients, water, sunlight, etc. So farmer is not actually growing weeds. He is growing the crop plant so that he can harvest the product. But when weeds are competing with them for these nutrients, water, sunlight, etc., what will happen? The plant will not be the main plant, or the crop plants will not be able to grow properly. So definitely it will affect their yield, and the farmer can be at loss. So it is very essential that we remove the weeds. Now, second point is that some of the weeds, if you're not removing these weeds at the time of harvesting, they can interfere, they can cause problems, because it won't, or it will interfere with the smooth harvesting. You know what is harvesting? Even though you have not learned, I think the term you are familiar. Harvesting means once the crop, once the crops are yes, once the crops are matured, we are cutting or we are removing of the product or the produce. So that is known as harvesting. But if weeds are allowed to grow in the field, they can even interfere in the harvesting process. And sometimes, above all, they can be even poisonous, not only for animals, but also for human beings. Some of the weeds are poisonous. So if they are allowed to grow in the field, they can cause harm to both plants as well as, sorry, plants definitely it is getting affected. Other than that, human beings and other grazing animals, all that can get affected. So once again, we'll summarize the points we said. Our question was, why the removal of weeds is essential. So the first point is that weeds will compete. It will compete with whom? It will compete with the crop plants. What for? For what they are competing? Water, nutrients, space, light. And what happens as a result of this competition? It will affect the growth of the crops, and the crop will give only less yield. Second point. What is the second point? Some of them can even interfere with the harvesting process. And the last point is, they are, some of them, not all, some of them are poisonous, and it can affect human beings So other animals, especially the grazing animals. Is that clear, children?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
Oh,
can you explain third and second
yes,
and
yes,
third?
yes. Yes, I will. Before that, okay. So hope you have understood the few slides which I showed you now. We learned about weeds,
Weeds.
weeding, the time to remove, the best time to remove the weeds, and why it is necessary to
Necessary to remove
yeah.
weeds.
And within us, to repeat the few
Yes,
last two
yes.
points.
Why it is
Okay.
necessary?
Yes, I'll repeat. So we discussed about the different reasons why weeding is essential. The first point number 1, weeds will compete with the crop plants for space, sunlight, nutrients, water, and can affect the growth of the crop plants. That was the first point. And second point, what we said, some of them can interfere with the harvesting process. Farmers will find it difficult to harvest the product if the field are having, or inside the field or in the field, weeds are present. Okay. Last point, some of them can be poisonous to whom? Not only to animals, but also to human beings. So
Ma'am, the weeds can be poison.
yes,
Weeds.
some of them can be poisonous, like some grazing animals. If they feed on that, that animals can die. Not all weeds, certain weeds. Okay. So it is very important that we remove these weeds from the field. Shall I ask you some questions to know
Yeah.
whether you have understood? Okay.
Yes.
Who will tell me what are weeds? One at a time. Okay.
Ma'am,
Wait. Prarthana, what are weeds?
Ma'am, the unwanted plants
Ah,
growing
ah.
naturally along with the crop is called weeds.
Are called weeds. Very good. And what is weeding, Evelyn? What do you mean by weeding?
The removal of weeds is known as weeding.
You were reading? Weeding, you were reading without looking, you say once.
The removal of weeds is known
Look
as
at me
the,
and say.
the removal of weeding is not the removal of weeds is known as
Is it
weeding.
that difficult, Evelyn? Removal of weeds is known as weeding. Okay. Now, which is the best time to remove the weeds? Alana, best time to remove the weeds.
Ma'am, before they start flower and produce seeds.
Very good, very good. Why it is necessary to remove the weeds? We discussed 3 points. I want 3 of you to tell. 3 of you can take turns and say. Abhinav, can you tell me 1 point? Any 1 point of your choice.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
they can,
Oh?
they will compete with crops to have
Yes,
water.
they will, the weeds, if they are there, they'll compete with the crops for what all things they will compete, Abhinav?
Water, nutrients,
Water,
minerals.
space, light, nutrients. And what will happen to the crops?
Ma'am, crops will get less water,
So
minerals.
it will affect the growth of the crops. Good. Second point, Ashmit. Okay, Varada, tell me. Second point.
Some of the weeds, it can be poisonous and it will affect the animals and
Human beings. Okay. Third point, Ashmit.
Some interfere in the process of harvesting.
Very good.
Some
So we have
weeds-
covered those points. Next topic is the methods to remove weeds. The different methods for removing weeds. A few methods are given. Now we have already learned it is very important to remove the weeds. Now how this can be done? So some of the methods are given here. Let's see one by one what are these methods. Starting with the first one. Tilling before the sowing of crops. You know what is tilling? What is the other name for tilling? One of you? Tilling.
plowshare.
Correct. Ploughing.
Plowshare.
Ploughing or loosening, tilling, all are same. So when you till before the sowing, so that will help in removing weeds from the field. Second point. So you can find a farmer is tilling. He is doing ploughing or tilling with the help of plough and a pair of animals or a pair of bulls. Now, second point, manually removing, not using any machine. You can manually remove by just uprooting. What do you mean by uprooting? Taking it out along with its roots so that it will not grow again. Roots are also removed. Okay? Yes, Mishal?
Ma'am, Varada.
Yes, Varada?
Ma'am, so if it is poisonous, it will affect the human now.
So we have to be careful. We have to be careful. So we have gloves and all to work in the field. So you have to be careful. And the farmer, an experienced farmer, he can distinguish between harmful and harmless ones. So anyhow, we have to be careless. Okay, sorry, careful. Sorry. Now, manually removing them by uprooting them or by cutting them close to the ground using a kurpi. Kurpi is a device. So you can see in the picture a kurpi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Using a kurpi, you can cut it close to the ground, but roots will remain. Okay. But there is some time before it starts growing again. So second method is manually removing by uprooting, taking it out along with the roots, or using a kurpi, you can cut them close to the ground. Then using a seed drill. Using a seed drill. What is the use of a seed drill actually? Where did we learn about seed drill? Nobody is remembering? Yes, sowing. We learned about different advantages of using a seed drill, isn't it? So seed drill, not only for sowing, you can even use it for removing the
Weeds.
Using a seed drill, weeds are being removed. Seeing the field, you can understand that already sowing is over. So this will help in removing the weeds. And the last method is spraying weedicides. What are weedicides? Chemicals which will kill or will destroy the weeds are known as weedicides. One example is also given, 2,4-D. 2,4-D is the name of a chemical weedicide. So these are the 4 methods by means of which you can remove the weeds. So once again, the different methods to remove the weeds, starting with the first one, tilling before sowing of crops. Second one, manually removing them. How? By uprooting. What is the other method? Cutting them close to the ground using a kurpi. Now, you can even use a seed drill. Then the last one, spraying weedicides, spraying chemicals. But as far as possible, we need to avoid the chemicals and go for some biological methods. Yes. Yes,
Ma'am, 2,4-D is the name of that chemical spray.
Chemical, yes. It shows the position of the, you don't have to learn the expansion. 2,4 indicates the position of the some functional group. You will learn. Now for the time being, you just learn the name of the weedicide is 2,4-D, capital D. Okay? So any doubts in this slide, children?
No.
Changari, no. So shall we move on to the next one?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, you can see here in the figure, a farmer, he is spraying something, he is spraying weedicides into his field. He is spraying weedicides. And you can see at the back, he has a cylinder-like thing where the chemical mixed with water is stored. And he is wearing a mask. Why he is wearing a mask?
Otherwise, the chemical will affect the human.
Very good. Because when he is spraying, these are chemicals. So these chemicals can get into his nose, and through the nose it can reach his body. So the farmer is very conscious about his health, and that is why he is covering his mouth with a mouth and nose with a mask, so that these chemicals do not enter your body. We are also wearing masks nowadays, isn't it?
Yes.
Go out.
Yes.
What for?
COVID-19.
So that virus will not get into our body.
No.
Now, okay. Now weedicides. Now let's see what are the precautions, how we need to spray these weedicides, what all precautions to be taken, when to spray, how to spray. So all that we learn. All that we are going to learn. Okay, the weedicides, first what you have to do, you have to dilute. Dilute means adding water, because what you get will be in the concentrated form. The farmer, according to the requirement, he will add water, he will dilute it, and with the help of a sprayer. Here also you can see a sprayer attached to the container at the back. Okay, so through with the help of a sprayer, he will spray this diluted weedicides into the field. And as we discussed earlier, the removal of the weeds, it should be done during the vegetative phase or before they start producing flowers and seeds. So that is what it is repeated again here. This is sprayed, or weedicides are sprayed during the vegetative growth of the weeds, which means before flowering and seed formation. Before they start producing flowers and seeds, you need to spray them. That is the best time to remove, because if it is done during that time, it will be much easier. Otherwise, if it is the reproductive phase, it will be difficult to remove the weeds completely. Then, spraying weedicides can affect the health of the farmers, because farmer is dealing with some chemicals artificially prepared. You have learned about fertilizers also. So whatever chemicals we are using, we have to be very cautious. If possible, we need to avoid them. But if there is no other way out, then you can go for it. But always take the necessary precautions. Yes?
Can you explain the third one again?
Yes. Third one only I am saying now. The
No,
point which I am saying now.
Yes, first
Okay.
one.
So when a farmer is spraying weedicides, he needs to be very careful. Otherwise, he's very careless or casually, he's just spraying without covering his nose and mouth with mask and all. Maybe he will get affected, or his health will get affected, because these chemicals will be inhaled and it can cause severe problems, or he can have some health issues. Regular exposure, then it will be, the situation will become worse. So he need to cover his nose as well as mouth with a piece of cloth or a mask while spraying the weedicides. Okay, have you understood the points? So once again, shall we repeat? Oh. Krishnaveni, any doubt? Krishnaveni, some disturbance over there. What happened?
My brother came in between.
Okay. So spraying weedicides, first point. So what are the precautions to be taken while spraying weedicides? It should be
Diluted with
water. So that the concentration becomes, or till he get the desired concentration. He will add water, he will dilute it. Okay. And then he will spray it with the help of a sprayer. And when is the best time to spray these weedicides? During vegetative growth. What do you mean by vegetative growth? When the plant is producing the vegetative parts. Which are the vegetative parts? Stem, leaves, okay, root. All those are the vegetative parts. So when they are slowly developing their vegetative parts, you need to spray them. So it will be much more easier. But once the vegetative phase is over and they have moved on to the reproductive phase, like flower formation and seed formation, the farmers will not find it that easy to remove as he could have done it during the vegetative phase. And when the weedicides are sprayed, the farmer needs to be very careful, because these chemicals, if it enters into his body, that can cause severe health issues. So he needs to cover his nose as well as mouth with the help of a cloth or a mask, just like what we are using nowadays. Okay. Do you go out of your house at any time?
No, ma'am.
No, yes, none of you. If you're going, always see that you cover, you use a proper mask and carry what with you? What do you need to carry with you? Sanitizer. So you all know that. Very good. Any slides you need to see again?
No.
No, ma'am.
No. With one more period, I think we will finish this chapter. So let us quickly revise the different points we discussed under protection from weeds. So one by one, if you have any doubt, first we will clarify and then we will move on. Otherwise, if you want to see the slide again, you can see. Any slide you need to see?
No, ma'am.
It's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Which one you need to see, Varada?
First
All
one.
the
The
slides
last
quickly.
one.
Not me.
Only last one. Or you wait,
first
wait.
one.
Let me say. Or you need to see all the slides quickly.
All the slides.
Quickly we will see what all things we covered today. Yes?
Okay.
Agreed?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, I'll ask you the questions.
Okay.
To continue, we'll quickly see all the slides once again. Okay. This is a slide we started with, isn't it? The undesirable, I'll go quickly, only then I'll get time to ask you the questions. The undesirable plants growing naturally along with the crop in a field are called weeds. The removal of weeds is known as weeding. And the best time to remove the weeds is before they start flowering and seed formation, that is during their vegetative growth. Next, weeds will compete. Why it is necessary? Why weeding is a very important part of agriculture. The reason is the weeds will compete with the crop plants, and as a result, the crop plants will not get sufficient space, light, nutrients, etc. And it will affect their crop and their yield will get reduced. And some of them interfere in harvesting, some of them can be poisonous, and the different methods to remove the weeds: tilling before sowing, then uprooting, manually removing them by uprooting or cutting them close to the ground with the help of a kurpi, using a seed drill, and then spraying weedicides. And then we learned about the precautions to be taken while spraying weedicides. It needs to be diluted with water and sprayed with the help of a sprayer. And it is sprayed during the vegetative growth, before flowering and seed formation. And when the farmer is spraying the weedicides, he needs to be extra cautious and he needs to cover his nose and mouth with a mask or a piece of cloth so that these particles will not get inside or get into his body.
And we can say our own points now.
But points should be correct.
Okay, ma'am.
You can say it in your own words, but whenever some scientific terms are there, use it as such. Okay. So let us conclude by asking 2-3 questions. The last part we learned the best time to remove the weeds. When is it? Gopi Krishna? Gopi Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
When is the best time to remove the weeds?
Ma'am, starting class I was not there.
You joined just now?
Yes, ma'am. 2 minutes before.
Okay, I will send you that MCQ test for you to copy.
Ma'am, I written
Okay.
now.
Okay, well, I showed all these slides once again. No? Anyway, today we don't have time. So please see the recorded class. Okay, Gobi? It's Gobi, and I'll send the slides also. So who will tell me? Who will tell me? Yes, Shangri. Shangri didn't get a chance today. Which is the best time?
Ma'am, when they start producing the flower and seed.
When they start producing flowers.
No, when they start to flower and produce seed.
No.
Before.
Just the opposite you are saying. What is the mistake in what we said?
Before.
Flowering and
What is the
producing.
mistake in what she said? Who is going to say?
Before. After.
Before. Shangari, not after. Before they produce seeds and flowers. Will you repeat it again? Shangari?
Yes, ma'am. And before they start to flower and produce seed.
What you have to do? At that time, what you need to do?
We have to remove the weeds.
Yes. Okay. What precaution the farmers need to take when they are spraying weedicides? Alana Jinson, what precaution a farmer needs to take while he's spraying weedicides?
Ma'am,
Don't look there. Simple.
they should cover their nose.
A little louder. A little louder.
Ma'am,
He
they
needs
should
to
cover their nose
only nose.
and
When
mouth.
you are wearing a mask, only nose is covered.
No, ma'am, mouth.
Nose and mouth need to be covered. Why? Why we need to cover?
Otherwise it
So that these chemicals will not
affect.
get inside his body. Okay, good. Children, so be prepared for that MCQ test next class also. Okay, children,
ma'am.
just 2
Okay,
questions daily.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.